All right, Susan's with us in Lexington, Kentucky. Hi, Susan. How are you?
Hi, I'm good, Dave. Thanks for taking my call.
Sure. What's up?
So I'm 50 years old. My husband is 55 years old. And we've been following your steps for a while now. We have
What's a while?
I've been listening to your show the last 3 to 4 years.
Yeah, but you've been following the steps that long?
Probably the last 2 to 3 years we've been doing the steps.
Okay, cool. So are you debt-free?
We are debt-free.
Yay, good for you.
Except for the house.
Good for you, okay.
So we have our 3 to 6 month savings, 0 debt, cars are paid for, and we refinanced the house. We have 7 years left on paying on the house, and we have like a 2.85 interest rate on that.
Wow, good for you.
So, well, thanks to your show. It was through our church, and it changed everything. So
Cool.
we're so grateful. My son has graduated from college, and then our daughter, her tuition is already paid for.
Good.
She graduates from high school in a couple years. We already have her tuition taken care of for college. Our question is, how do we begin saving for retirement? We have $15,000 right now.
Whoa. Everything was good till you got there, wasn't it? Okay, so you got some catching up to do.
A lot of catching up.
Yeah, with your house on the 7-year plan and you're 50 years old, I would just say let's load up everything we can load up as much as possible. Now, and that means if you've got 401ks available to you, load them up. You got Roths available to you, load them up.
So Roth is still a good idea at age 50 and 55?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, and over 50 years old, you can do $6,500 each, so that's $13,000 for the two of you into a Roth. Do either one of you have 401ks available?
I have a 403B, but there's no matching on it.
That's okay. Fill it up. What about him?
He's self-employed.
Okay. Does he have employees?
Yes.
How many?
2.
How long have they been with him?
It's a contracting business. They've been with him for a year. They come and go. Every couple of years there's turnover with that business.
Okay, he needs to look into a SEP, a Simplified Employee Pension Plan, because he can put up to 13.6% of his net profits into that and shelter that. And so you guys, if you just load up all of your retirement options, get with an endorsed local provider if you don't have somebody to help you put all that together. They'll help you pick your options on your 403B and get your 2 Roths going at catch-up Roths are called at $6,500 a piece a year, and you're going to be okay. If you can load all of that up, I didn't get your household income, I didn't ask for that, but if you make an average household income of upward of $50,000, you're going to be fine if you do all those things. Thanks for the call. This is the Dave Ramsey Show.